Hello, and thank you for taking the time to watch our speech. To start, I would like to ask everyone to go ahead and close their eyes. Now I want you to picture your dream vacation. Do you hear deep ocean roaring waves or soft pitter-patter on cobblestone streets? Do you smell blooming flowers of another continent? Or freshly dipped caramel apples from the local caramel apple shop? Do you taste the fresh out of the oven French baguettes? Or the freshly made Italian gelato? Do you feel the spray of a hidden waterfall that you found the last time you went to that spot? Or do you feel the whirlwind of the city as the cars pass you by? Now go ahead and open your eyes. That is your destination, and that is your paradise. For me, I was picturing Tennessee, where I went for my grandfather's funeral. We let his ashes go over Gatlinburg, and we spent a whole year planning the entire trip. And once we got there, everything went according to plan, down to the very last mountain that we would hike. And I got to make a lot of memories and spend a lot of time with my little sister who lives in Illinois. And these pictures are a daily reminder of that trip we took and the amount of planning and time that went into it that was so worth it. Now, we all know what that dream vacation is and looks like and feels like and smells like and sounds like. But the only issue is figuring out where in the world to begin. Planning a trip can make or break your vacation. If you don't spend enough time planning, you run the risk of planning a quite awful vacation. If you don't know what to pack, you may end up wearing a bikini on a ski slope and likely freezing to death. Or if you end up on the beach and you only pack skinny jeans, which ladies, we all know how difficult it is to get those skinny jeans back on once you have gotten wet. You run the risk of ruining every outfit you own. If you don't budget correctly, you could end up eating ramen for the next 3 months, or worse yet, calling your parents to ask them for rent money. Again. So my group has come up with 3 easy steps to help you go ahead and start planning your vacation to avoid the entire mess. The first step is to go ahead and pick a spot you want to go to. The second step is to make and stay within your budget. And the final step is to go ahead and pack accordingly. Darren is going to begin by talking to us a little bit about how we can go ahead and choose that perfect spot. Darren?